The 2016 Nissan Sentra is always looking out for you, so you can drive easier and safer with technology like the available blind spot warning, a Nissan Safety Shield feature. With the blind spot warning system, the Sentra monitors the presence of vehicles in the Sentra's blind spot area. If one is detected, an indicator appears in the driver's or passenger's side door pillar as well as on the advanced drive assist display. If the turn signal is engaged while a vehicle is in the blind spot, the Sentra sounds a warning chime and the indicator light flashes to alert you. Blind spot warning is just one of the many advanced Nissan Intelligent Safety Shield technologies. To learn more about blind spot warning, Safety Shield, and everything the 2016 Nissan Sentra has to offer, stop by Nissan of San Marcos today.